Hello, Hunter Node Timer instructional videos. On this one we're going to hit the center button to get started, and then we'll hit it again to get to the date, and then we'll hit it again to get to the start time. So this will be about the start time, which is set currently for 8 a.m. You can see which start time you're on by looking at the top number. There'll be a bottom number for station number, but we're looking at start time. And so start time 2 is off, start time 3 is off, and start time 4 is off. So you can set for 8 a.m., noon, 4 p.m., and 8 p.m., or whatever hours you want to. If you wanted to come on 4 times a day, if you had a nursery plants or something, you could set that for multiple times a day. So, but we're just going to do once a day for 8 a.m. Hope that helps.